हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो ये मेरा पहला वीडियो होगा जिसमें हम लोग ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे। और अभी तक जितने भी वीडियोस है उसमें में ओनली म्यूज़िक होगा, बट मैं उतना बात नहीं किया। ये फर्स्ट वीडियो है, अभी टेस्टिंग ही कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू ऑल फॉर सपोर्टिंग माई लास्ट वीडियो वेयर आई शोन यू Motovlog flyover. It was raw, unexpected vlog. I think that went well on my channel. So thank you all for the support. Please subscribe if this is your first time seeing me. So I usually review stuff which is related to motorcycle and regular rides. So I'm not yet serious about these motovlogs. I will just see how it goes. So currently we are going towards Shamshabad road. So this is the traffic that usually there in this road. So far how is the audio? I think this flyover construction is going on, so that is why you could see some traffic over here. I have to be careful and also concentrate on the road because this is the first time doing such videos. Usually I'll just mount the GoPro and leave it over there, and if anything interesting is there then only I'll upload my videos. But I'm trying to upload at least 1 or 2 videos a week. We'll see how it goes. There's a lot of road development going on in Hyderabad. I think that is a good thing. Few days we have to take all this traffic jams and everything. After that I think then traffic jams will be less for a few days, and again it will start. So usually that is how it is. I think it is better than nothing, right?